All right, my friend, welcome. My name's Dr. Anthony Balduzzi. I'm the founder here at the Fit Father Project. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do TRX Spiderman push-ups, which are an incredibly challenging but pretty fun exercise for building your chest, your shoulders, your triceps, and your core. In this video, I'm going to show you, actually demo these for you right behind me. I'm going to give you the proper sets, reps, and give you some ideas on how you can incorporate this into your training. Let's dive on in. FitFatherProject.com. All right, so the TRX Spiderman push-up. It starts off with a TRX setup that's about 1.5 feet off the ground because, as you're gonna see when we actually do the push-up, we need enough clearance height for that leg to come around and touch our elbow. So if the TRX is too low, you're gonna be dragging your leg on the ground and it's gonna feel really uncomfortable. So set the TRX high enough and we're gonna begin to get into a proper push-up position. I'm gonna put my right leg in the TRX stirrups right here. And now we want to start as a good normal push-up position just like this. Hands are about shoulder width apart and we're going to get into that good push-up position. Now to start, I'm going to show you 3 variations based on your level of strength that'll really be beneficial. The first one is, we'll call it the easy one, level 1. Your foot is going to stay, my left foot's going to stay started on the ground. I'm going to come down, I'm going to do my push-up and it's going to come down right to here. So my foot still touches that elbow, but it stops here and come right back to position. So again, this is level 1. The foot stays on the ground at both the starting and the ending positions. Now, level 2 is we're gonna get this foot off the ground at first, then we're gonna push up, bring it down, then come right back up. Then down, then right back up. Then down, then right back up. And level 3, when you get strong enough, you can keep that foot off the entire time. So here, it comes right back. Here, right back. Here, right back. And that is how you do TRX Spiderman push-ups. So really valuable exercise. I recommend if you're starting out that you try to do around 3 sets of around 10 reps. And whether you need to do level 1, 2, or 3 to do that, this is a great exercise because it meets you at your level of fitness. If you like this, I want to invite you to subscribe to our Fit Father Project YouTube channel. We publish new videos just like this every single week on, yes, exercise tutorials like the TRX push-up, but also important stuff like nutrition, supplementation, motivation, everything you need to really stay strong and permanently healthy for life, because that's what we do here at the Fit Father Project. So subscribe, join our channel for notifications when we post new videos. And I also want you to invite you to check out other playlists and other great videos, on bodyweight exercises, as well as nutrition, supplementation, all that great stuff. Check out those videos. I look forward to seeing you around your channel and helping you more with your health and fitness. I'll talk to you soon.